How's it going, guys? In this video I'm going to be changing my radiator fluid in my 99 Honda CR250. Now, I'm not an expert when it comes to this. I've actually never done it before. I'm pretty sure it's straightforward. So here's pretty much all the parts that I need. I got the hoses, clamps, extra gasket, my tools. I got some engine ice. I got a container for my coolant, and something's missing from here. Oh yeah, my radiator cap. So for now, all right, let's fire this puppy up. It's been a long time. Okay guys, I'm going to be replacing the hoses also, so I'm going to remove all the plastics in the seat and the gas tank to make it a little bit easier. Okay, so this is how it looks all exposed. Looks like that's going to be really easy to replace. And as for my lower hose, it's going to be a little bit tough. It's all the way in there. I'm not going to remove the exhaust. And here's my water pump. Okay, so here's the water pump. And I'm going to be using a 10mm to remove this bolt. Wow. There we go. Okay, I'll put the old radiator cap back on. I don't want any rubbish going back in here. I'll be using a new brass washer. Yeah, no laugh at my tools, yeah. That's all I got. Oh, there went the light. You've been on there way too long, buddy. I gotcha. I gotcha. So soft. So soft and rubbery. Okay, so at this time I could probably replace my spark plug, but you know what? It's doing so good, I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm gonna clean up this mating area. Okay, so here's the old and new hose. You notice anything different? Okay, stick it in. Put on the clamps first. Stick it on. Oh, nice fit. Okay. Yeah. Okay guys, it's going to be a little bit harder to show you sugar hot dog, the bottom hose. Yeah. Yeah. Well, this would be a whole lot easier if I took off the exhaust. Alright, I took off the exhaust. Finally. I didn't want to. Oh, it's so easy. It's so easy to take off now. Wow. Alright, there it is, guys. It's installed. I had to use the old clamp because the new clamp was too thick. Alright. Okay, so I'll be dropping in some engine ice. Looking good. Radiator cap. Okay guys, I'm gonna put everything back, fire it up, let it warm up, turn it off, let it cool down, and add more coolant. I warmed it up, I let it cool down, add a little bit more, and I warmed it up again and checked the fluid. It's fine. Okay guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking it out. Remember, if I can do it, so can you. Alright, aloha. And any parts I used in this video will be in a link down below.